Hi guys, we're Brooke and Gary, and we've been sailing around the world on our floating home One Life for the last 4 years.
Our friends at Epic Water Filters have been a huge part of our journey. We've been using their filtered water bottles everywhere we go to make sure that we have clean drinking water. They've also sponsored a number of beach cleanups that we've organized along the way.
Yeah, but we're super excited to announce our most recent collaboration, which is the Sailing One Life Epic water bottle. So it's a really cool design because it features all of the amazing marine life that we see out here. And also there's a replica of One Life sailing off into the horizon.
These bottles are incredibly durable. We've been beating up on them on board the boat and they stand up to all of the abuse. But the really awesome thing about these bottles is the filter that comes inside. We're able to fill up these bottles from a questionable tap water source or a waterfall in the middle of the rainforest. And we know that we'll have clean, safe drinking water free of any viruses or bacteria.
Yeah, and the other cool thing is that Epic offers a recycling program. So if you trade in 4 used filters, you get 1 brand new filter for free.
Which means that even the filter itself is not a single-use plastic. The ocean has been our home for the last 4 years, and we've seen firsthand just how much plastic waste is in our environment and in our waters.
Yeah, and by using this filter, we save about, I think it's like 500 single-use plastic water bottles. So anyway, go check out the latest Sailing One Life bottle, and yeah, together we can make a difference. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.